Hi everyone, this is Kumar Somampudi. Today I am making video on Salesforce CPQ advanced approval. As you all know, Salesforce CPQ used to create dramatic speed proposal and code generation. In this video, I am showcasing basic approval, advanced approval configuration. Before that, we need to install a CPQ package. Winter 21 packages are available for production and sandbox. After installing this, you need to be enable an object for advanced approval. These are the steps you need to configure first. Then let's start into basic approval configuration. There will be an approver record and approval rule and approval condition. In approval record, describe which user will need to grant a approval, and in approval rule, describe general properties such as approver and evolution order. In next come to approval condition, describe the test that must be true to trigger a approval. If that condition matches, the approval trigger will be fired. Okay, let's jump into our org and I will showcase how to configure an basic approval configuration. So for that we need to create an approvers record. We need to be given approver name. So we are giving a CEO like manager. Manager need to be approved. Then we need to be select that user. Here it comes group ID. If we given a public group ID here, anyone in this that group will be we can approve that record. And if you want in all the members in group want to be approve that record means anonymous you need to be enabled, then all the uh, approver will be like it will be all approver can approve that approval. Then it comes to a delegated approver. On we can select delegated approver also, and start date and can be set up here. So I will save this record. Then it comes to the approval rule, where we create a record for approval rule. So we need to be set an approval rule. Like I am taking example. If a discount is greater than 10% for that particular code, then this approval should fire. Like average customer discount greater than 10% need need to need manager approval, and we will target that object. Like we are targeting the code, we need to activate this rule, and step it is an first step. So here approver that approver has been linked, and approval chain. So approval chain is like represent a series of approval that must be happen in a specific sequence. So this thing I will take in next video. I will make a separate video for this approval chain. Then and we need to be condition met. All conditions should be met, and like there we can request template also we can select. In email notification we need to be selecting like a request template, submit for approval. Then recall template also we can set, and approval after approval this template should be we can select, and rejection template also I made ready. These are the for approval email template. It will support only visual force email templates. We need to create an visual force template. For approval recipient, I will select record owner and initial submitter. For rejection template also I will select record owner and initial submitter. We will save this approval rule. After that, we need to be provide a condition, approver condition. So let's create an approval condition record. Okay, like index, it should be fire first. Here is the enable the smart approval. Smart approval is also one of the approval in advanced approval. This I will make separate video on smart approval also. Presently, in this video, we are basic focusing on basic configuration of advanced approval. Then we need to be selected tested field, on which field we need to be test. Like I am selecting a average discount customer average customer discount field, which is available on quote record, where discount will be discount will be captured. Additional discount which are the sales rep is given, it will be captured there. Then we will select operator greater than, and we are giving value. If it is 10, greater than value is 10, we will save this approval. Now advanced approval is set up. We set an approval record and approval rule. Approval rule is average customer discount greater than 10 need manager approval. So we configured everything, and condition also. If average customer discount is greater than 10 means it will be fire. So we will create a code now. Taking a particular code, like say edit lines. Now we will select a product head code. Okay, we'll create select another code. It's taking a long time to open. Second. Yeah. Okay, we will select a fresh product. So there will be an Apple Mac Air. I will select that product. Apple Mac Pro will take this product. I'll save this. Add into code line editor. So we can see that additional discount. Let's say if a sales rep given a 20% discount on MacBook Pro, Apple MacBook Pro, and 5% discount on hard drive, 500 to hard drive. After that, we will calculate. So 25% of discount it has been applied for a particular code. After save, it will be taken as an average in that field. Yeah, you can see at a for a particular code, add a average customer discount is 19%. Given a 19%, 19.1% discount. So let's see our approval process is fair or not. See, the approval process is fired. As you can see, average customer discount greater than 10% need an approval manager. So we will submit it for an approval. Yeah, we submitted an approval. You can see an in approval. Yeah, one approvals is created, and we manager will receive email also. In that email we are mentioning code name and id and code name, then opportunity name and opportunity owner and code total and payment terms. We can create a template where we can set a link of that code. Everything we can be do. It is an visual force, we can a visual force email template we can configure there. So in approval record you can see, yeah, these are the records where presently it has requested it's on approval. So I will approve it as I am a system admin. I can do. Okay. Now record. We have approved that code. You can see here approval status is approved and submitted date 1/2021 and submitted user as I am submitted user also mentioned here in approvals also record. Comment signed approved by also captured at the record level. Okay, this is a small video regarding basic approval configuration. Stay tuned. There will be many more scenario based advanced approval process. I will create a video and I will upload it. Thank you guys for watching the video.